ngayon kasama namin si Miko, isa sa mga contingent namin dito sa San Pablo na sumama sa LBCon. Ano pakiramdam ng nandito sa LBCon?
Ang angas. Ang daming tao.
Naman.
Tatakbo na ako.
Ay, nako. Kamusta naman ang experience mo dito sa LBCon?
Sobrang init. Ang daming tao.
Naman. Siyempre, kung marami tao, hindi naman may iwasan na pag-init, mainit dito eh. Pero so far naman, enjoy ka naman dito.
Oo, dami na tao. Na-enjoy ka naman kasi ang daming tao. Pinapil ko yung energy ng dito.
Okay, yun. Thank you very much, Miko. Enjoy ka lang diyan. Okay. Well, sa mga cosplayer attendees dito sa LBCon, at yun, thank you very much for to be here with us. Okay, what character are you portraying?
Arlecchino from Genshin Impact.
Okay, bakit si Arlecchino yung pinili mong i-portray for today?
Because Arlecchino reminds me of myself. Because of my circle of friends, they call me founder, so I cosplayed as her as of today. And I wanted to support my brother because he's in this school.
Okay, so if you're Arlecchino and you're feeling that you're the father figure, sino yung mga anak mo sa cosplay?
Cosplay? Is my anak.
Okay, so may mga kasama kang anak-anak sa cosplay. How's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
Really socializing. I really love attending cosplaying because it makes me come out of my comfort zone, and I really want to socialize even more. Besides looking at live, like in Facebook, minsan nag-download po ko na mga lives.
Ayun. So, thank you very much, Arlecchino, and I enjoyed the event. Maraming salamat. So, kahit dito sa labas ng Baker Hall, ay may mga nadadatag pa rin tayong mga cosplayers dito sa lugar. So, I assume na siya si Lumit, siya si Hotaw, at isa sa mga players ng Karasuno. Kaya okay. What character are you portraying?
Yamaguchi Tadashi po.
Okay, bakit siya yung ang pinili mong i-portray?
Kasi po, I'm mahihain po. Katulad po siya.
Katulad po siya. Okay, it's okay. Okay, ikaw naman, bakit si Hotaw yung gusto mong i-portray?
Gusto ko lang po.
At ikaw naman, Lumit, bakit siya yung gusto mong i-portray?
Kasi she's a star.
Okay, so yun, naglaro pa, especially sa inyong dalawa, currently playing Genshin Impact? Sayang. So Hotaw, anong impression mo doon sa naging lantern ride involving her?
No comment.
No comment. Kahit pa yung time na na unconsciously nakayakap siya kay Ether. Okay, so nahihiya pa rin. Lumit, kasi being, sabihin natin sa mga female protagonists, so kung ikaw tatanungin bilang Lumit, sinong gusto mong i-ship?
Si Kabet Alden.
Oh, bakit bakit silang dalawa?
Favorite ko kasi sila.
Ayaw mo kay Xiao? Ayaw. So, thank you very much sa inyong tatlo. Such a good sport. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Okay, ikaw, what character are you portraying?
Asaba Lumasa from Zenless Zone Zero.
Okay, at syempre, ang jokester ng Genshin na si Sino. Okay, bakit si Sino yung gusto mong pinotoy mo?
C2 po ako kahit di ko po siya pinupul.
Okay, isang joke daw.
What's brown and sticky?
What is brown and sticky? What?
A stick.
Okay, so ikaw Marabasa, bakit siya yung pinili mong i-portray for today?
Kasi sakitin ako.
Talaga sakitin daw siya. Oo.
May sipon ako ngayon, ayoko na. Kill me.
Baka makahawa ka.
Dahil man nakalib ako. I mean, naglib ako.
Okay.
Si Clip po yun.
So, how's the feeling of being here sa LBCon?
Exciting!
Ikaw naman, anong pakiramdam na nakatin ng LBCon?
Kahit ano po mangyari, handa na po yung wallet ko.
Okay, so thank you very much sa inyo dalawa. Such a good sport. Maraming salamat. Kasama ko si Tao sa mga umattend dito sa LBCon. Ayun, first time mong umattend dito ng LBCon o matagal na?
First time po.
First time.
Yes.
So, ayun, how's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
Mainit.
Oh, mainit naman. Understandable naman. So, sa dami naman kasi ng tao dun sa loob.
Masaya. First time pero masaya. Yun lang, mahaba talaga yung pila kanina. Kasi hindi kami purchase ng ticket ahead. So, ayun, pila kami kanina.
Ayun, so what character are you portraying?
Wanderer, Hoyo Fair.
Hoyo Fair mode. Ayan.
Hoyo Fair version, Hacker Wanderer.
Ayun. So, bakit yung motif na yan ni Wanderer yung pinili mong i-portray for today?
Hindi ko pa siya talaga nagagamit sa mga events. So, debut.
Debut.
Yeah.
Okay. So, naglalaro ka pa rin ba ng Genshin?
Yes.
Ayun.
AR-60.
AR-60 na. Okay. So,
100% all map. Oh, yaba?
so anong impression? Okay. Ano ang naging impression mo doon sa role ni Wanderer after ng summer event?
Yung summer event, grabe. Yun yung kay Durin.
Okay, Tidurin.
Grabe, inaabangan ko yung part mismo na magre-revive si Durin as what the theory says. Ayun talaga pinakaabangan ko. Ang laking improvement sa character niya. Grabe.
So, kung ikaw si Wanderer eventually, kung ikaw masusunod sa kwento, gusto mo na bang makita si Kaswa?
Naman, tapos isabay pa yung nanay ko. Ay,
Naman. So, yun. Thank you very much, Tao. Such a good sport. Hopefully to see you next month sa Anilag.
Ay, yes po. Nag-vlog. Charot na.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So, sa mga popular na cosplayers sa Laguna, si Nel, nice to see you again. So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
Well, it's a breath of fresh air kasi nasanay tayo sa mga convention na mga nasa loob, mga indoors, and iba rin kasi yung vibes dito. So, it's not just a normal convention, it's a book convention, and also kasabay natin yung Feb Fair, which is, kita mo naman, marami mga umattend na iba natin cosplayers ay may enjoy itong venue na to.
Ayun. So, syempre, as you can see, character na pinoportray niya ay si Chong Yun ng Genshin Impact.
Yung na banas.
May hawak pang frost ice cream ng lagay na yan. So, ayun. So, kamusta? Anong impression mo naman sa naging lantern ride this year?
Lantern ride this year, naasar ako kasi hanggang first part lang ako at di ko siya natapos.
Lagi dito natapos.
Pwede ko lang sarili ko dun sa sinihutaw. Then sabi ko, okay, that's good. Sayang, hindi siya permanent event.
Okay. So, marami nakapuna. So, year by year ay nagkakaroon ng mga bagong skin yung mga Liyue characters. Tingin mo, next Lantern Night, si Chong yun na ba ang turn na magkaroon ng bagong skin?
I don't think so, pero kung ako papipiliin, gusto ko si Kuching ulit.
Yeah, sige.
Bias ako dun.
Okay, so thank you very much. It's a good sport. Enjoy mo pa rin yung rest of the day. Thank you very much. Isa sa mga umuusbong sa kasikatan itong anime ito. And then, good thing na nakahanap tayo ng cosplayer.
Sakamoto.
Okay, so bakit si Sakamoto yung pinili mong i-portray? Bakit si Sakamoto?
I picked Sakamoto because he's the freaking coolest guy in the anime, bro. Like, yeah, bang bang on the freaking yeah.
So, what's your impression upon watching the anime so far?
First impression ay akala ko ay parang mala romance or something ganun ang motif. Pero nung pinanood ko ng anime, damn, may halong action. Well, may slice of life, yes. And so far, it's actually absolute cinema.
Okay. So, totoo, kung ikaw tatanungin, agree ka ba sa mga sinasabi na iba na there are some Sakamoto forms na kamukha daw ni Coach Adsai? Bakit tingin mo kakahawig niya si Coach Adsai?
Kasi yung salamin niya, the beard and the hair, and also the body shape.
Yun, so na-inspire ka na i-cosplay siya. Do you think itong portrayal mo na Sakamoto, do you believe that is the simplest cosplay na nagawa mo?
Yes.
Ayun, so napakadaling gawin eh. So thank you very much, such a good sport at very good portrayal of Sakamoto. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay. Well, ito talaga pinunta namin dito eh, yung yung higanting ano, low bird na nandito. So, palagi mo, gano'n kahaba ang tagal ng ano, ng low bird na yan pag kinain yan, di ba? Gardenia, baka naman. Sige, ikot. Print tinapay para sa cosplayers. Alam mo yung, ano mo nung ano? Yung manawagan sa gardenia na dito yun. Tulungan mo ko manawagan sa ano, sa gardenia.
Ano po, yung mga cosplayers po, minsan gutom yan, wala makain. Kaya minsan po mahal din, bibili kami ng ticket, wala naman kami pera. Kaya maganda po may tinapay po kayo instead na sa ano kami, sa Ngarky sa tinapay na yun. Imbes na doon, dito na kami sa gardenia, no?
Gardenia, baka naman. Ayun. Nel, manawagan tayo sa gardenia, may sponsor tayo.
Shout po sa Gardenia, baka naman, pagka po magkakaroon ng Eureka event, willing po kami tumanggap ng sponsorship sa inyo.
Okay, thank you. Konting backstory lang. Kapag Coco Festival sa San Pablo City, at kapag araw ng parada tuwing January 14, yung Gardenia naparada din yan. Kasama sa parada yan. At namimigay sila ng tinapay. So, maswerte lagi tayo sa San Pablo kapag naparada kasama ang Gardenia. Gardenia! Baka naman. Okay, so kasama natin ang dalawang March 7 cosplayers. So, bakit si March 7 yung pinili yung i-portray?
So currently, ito yung favorite namin character sa from Kai Star Rail, from the game of MiHoYo. And also, wala, siya lang talaga yung favorite character ko lang, pati namin dalawa. So kung siya tinatawag namin sa amin, o kanina, March 14 daw ang tawag sa amin.
Why March 7?
Malaki yung open. Uy! Ano po? She's beautiful and yung effects niya, ang ganda ng effects niya!
Yun.
Go!
So, what do you tako nag-get?
Yes.
Nag-get to siya.
Tunaw na. Uy! Kumami ka. Tunaw na po.
So, ano tingin niyo yung chemistry ni March 7 at yung yung Trailblazer?
Pwede, why not? Chemistry lang.
So, kung ikaw si March 7, sinong gusto mong i-ship?
Si Kapka. Si Kapka.
Bakit? Okay. Gets ko. So, kung ikaw si March 7, sinong gusto mong i-ship?
Aglay.
Bakit?
Madam first.
Okay. How's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
So happy.
So yan, daming tao. Tapos may resting areas dun sa passages.
Which is a good thing. So, thank you very much, March 7th. And such a good sport. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you. What characters are you portraying?
Loven, Grace, Zayn, and
Okay, bakit sila yung pinili mong i-portray?
wala, bakla kami. Bating sa character. Kaya ito,
So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
mainit. Mapusan, pero okay naman.
Okay naman. So ang ibig sabihin pala ng acronym na LAD ay Love and Space. Hindi pala totoo, ang ibig sabihin ay Love and Depression.
Hindi. Yung iba nga sabi love and deep throat. Ay! Makabawal.
Okay. So thank you very much, Adonora. Enjoy the rest of the event. Maraming salamat. Nice to see you again. Yan. What character are you portraying?
I'm Creeper Getchaninta. I'm Heather Chandler from the Heathers the Musical.
Bakit sila yung mga pinili nyong i-portray for today?
Kasi po siya yung main sa Genshin and ma-8 ako. Because she's the most iconic Heather. And she died.
So how's the feeling of being here dito sa LBCon?
Good. I spent a lot. Again. Ano po, very masaya since it's my first time here. Attending.
Ang daming mga first-timers dito sa Epicon.
Ako po yung front-cover na talaga. So, she's the first time.
Well, I'm a first-timer condover as well. So, yun. Okay, so, how's the feeling of being here to this Epicon?
Medyo overwhelming pala, pero naman, very masaya since ang daming different cosplays and artists.
So, do you think itong Epicon and maging yung event fair in general ay paganda ng paganda through the years?
Yes, there is a possibility kasi nakikita ko pa lang sobrang big time ng mga artists na nakita ko na sila from Cosmastery since last time, so gonna be bigger. And hopefully, ma-encounter namin in the future yung Epicon.
So, what's your impressions about encountering other cosplayers na umattend dito sa event?
Very masaya kasi we share same hobbies, gano'n. Po, masaya. Masaya po since parang excited na parang maraming people na mayroong different interests and nag-bonding din po sa appreciating art lang.
Thank you very much. Such a good sport. Enjoy the rest of the event. Maraming salamat. Bakit si Miko Hatsune yung pinili mong i-portray for today's event?
Siya po talaga yung first wife ko ever.
Ayun. So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa Epicon?
Masaya po, madami pong tips na nagagawin.
Ayun. So, anong impression mo encountering your fellow cosplayers dito sa event?
Nakakatawa po kasi akala ko artist lang. Marami rin po pala cosplayers na artist.
Ayun, masaya naman at enjoy ka naman dito sa event. Okay, maraming salamat sa good sport. Thank you very much. So, it's a very rare chance na makasubok tayo ng isang Kamen Rider cosplayer. So, okay, particularly, what Kamen Rider are you portraying?
Particularly, I chose Shin Kamen Rider. This movie, which is like, I don't know, the last one.
Okay. So, bakit si Kamen Rider yung pinili mong i-portray for today's event?
First of all, I chose Shin Kamen Rider because he's my favorite model. There's like so many riders. Shin Kamen Rider has to be number one. It's the reason why it's called Ichigo.
How's the feeling of being here dito sa Epicon?
Sorry?
How's the feeling being here dito sa Epicon?
This is great. I get to put my passion and hard work. I get to fill up around people, and then also being recognized is also really nice.
Okay, thank you very much. Such a good sport. Enjoy the rest of the event. Maraming salamat. Ate, what character are you portraying?
I'm portraying Mao Mao from the Potogari Diaries.
Ayun daw. Why Bao Bao ang pinili mong i-portray for today's event?
Because I just really love Mao Mao. That's all.
Ayun. How's the feeling of being here dito sa Epicon this year?
Actually, it was very exciting. Nag-enjoy po ako very much.
What's your impression na encountering other cosplayers dito sa event?
They were actually very nice. Like, they were very friendly. And, oh my God, ang dami pong mga nagpapapictures.
So, thank you very much. Such a good sport. Enjoy the rest of the event. Maraming salamat.